Hello. Hi everyone, I am Takir and today we have got our features around the GitHub Copilot SDK, one of the fascinating tool around in the trend, right, with the GitHub Copilot. So what it does, it integrates the agentic AI developer flow directly into your application. Yes, your application get the power of the agentic AI flow, the workflow directly. So it has been the same technology has been used, which has been used to made our previously GitHub Copilot CLI, which has been enormous technology right now. Cool. So that's our appropriate blog given directly by the GitHub team itself, written by Mario Rodriguez, Chief Product Officer at GitHub. And then you can explore GitHub Copilot SDK, the official documentation, the official GitHub open source code, where you can have a read around what it's been building, what it's been doing, and have a chit chat what it's been doing. And I'll be starting with how you can build your first Copilot powered application, co-powered application. So it's already then build your first Copilot powered application, and it says like you have to install the CLI. Just get around and install GitHub Copilot CLI. It's very basic, and install the SDK. That's a very simple thing. In this tutorial, we have been moving the Python stuff. So I've already installed it, and since I'm on the Mac OS, so I have already been using the version environment for this thing. So you can install your pip install GitHub Copilot SDK in your Python version environment. It is also showing like how you can create a response, how you trigger it, how you make a flow. Since I'm into the Python, so I've using it, how it's being following the synchronous and asynchronous method, right? Streaming responses has been added. Like it happens like you want your character to be printed side by side, just like any of the uh, chat application, right? So this thing can we do in our application as well. I've already made one application around. What it does, it's simply like a chatbot server for the application support team and customer support team, and what it does, it emphasizes the power, the functioning of GitHub Copilot directly into your application, right? You can use this one. It's a very simple. So I have initialized the GitHub Copilot using the asynchronous function that is defined to define your function here, and the time we are getting the response here from the GitHub Copilot team, the GitHub Copilot that had been pitched around, that has been ported into the JSON parsing, and that has been now uh, presented in front of a certain format, and that format will be displayed over a web application. Here is our application, right? What we can do, we can check out uh, ask any explain the authentication process. It could be asked like air customer support, because it has a documentation. Let's see what it does reply to us. We can check our responses from here as well. It is being generated. Is handled by the Copilot CLI, not directly the application. It's supposed to main method. So it got the context towards the GitHub Copilot CLI only server. So we can switch our context like, hey, this is a context all around in our application and please set it down. Or you can directly ask like, how do I integrate your API? Let's see what it does. The process has been started again. Cool. The answer is being generated here. So it ensures like whatever we do is explained properly, and you can get the answers around. So let us not wait and make your application AI powered through the GitHub Copilot directly. Thank you.